The Osprey Daylite Cinch Backpack stands out as a versatile and reliable daypack designed for outdoor enthusiasts and everyday users alike. From the moment I received this backpack, I was impressed by its lightweight construction and thoughtful design. We have gathered reviews from all over the internet to provide a comprehensive perspective on this product, and I will share what users appreciate as well as some points of critique to help you decide if this is the right backpack for your needs. One of the most praised features of the Osprey Daylite Cinch is its perfect size for day hikes and casual use. With a capacity of 15 liters, it offers enough space to carry essentials such as snacks, a change of clothes, a light jacket, and other small items without feeling bulky or heavy. Users consistently mention how well it fits their needs for both short and longer hikes, as well as for travel situations where a compact, airport-friendly bag is desirable. The backpack's dimensions of approximately 9.45 by 16.14 by 7.48 inches, and its very light weight of just 0.75 pounds contribute to its ease of use and portability. The material quality and build of the backpack are frequently highlighted as top-notch. Many users with extensive outdoor experience, including military veterans, have attested to the durability and sturdiness of the pack. The fabric feels robust, yet lightweight, and the stitching and overall construction inspire confidence that this backpack will hold up well under regular use in various weather conditions. A distinctive design element that sets this pack apart is its cinch closure system, which replaces the more common zipper closure found on many day packs. This cinch design is favored by many for its quiet operation, reliability, and ease of access. Unlike zippers, which can be noisy and prone to breaking, the cinch closure is simple to use and less likely to fail. Some users find the cinch a bit unusual or cumbersome at first, but most agree it offers a practical and efficient way to secure the contents of the bag. This design also contributes to the pack's minimalist aesthetic and functional appeal. The backpack includes dual-side compression straps that help stabilize the load and keep the contents secure. These straps are useful for adjusting the pack's volume and ensuring a snug fit, which enhances comfort during movement. Additionally, the harness grab handle doubles as a luggage pass-through, making it convenient for travel when you need to attach the backpack to rolling luggage. This feature adds to the backpack's versatility beyond outdoor activities. Inside, the pack features an internal reservoir sleeve designed to hold a hydration bladder, although the bladder itself is not included. This makes it a suitable choice for hikers and bikers who want to stay hydrated on the go. The pack also offers multiple pockets for organizing smaller items, which users appreciate for keeping essentials easily accessible. Comfort is a key consideration for any backpack, and the Osprey Daylite Cinch performs well in this area. Despite its minimalist design, it provides good breathability on the shoulders and back, which is especially important for sweaty or long-duration activities. The harness system is comfortable and supportive without adding unnecessary bulk or weight. Users report that the pack remains comfortable even when fully loaded for a long day hike. Some users have noted that while the pack is excellent for carrying essentials, it is not designed for heavy loads or extended multi-day trips. Its focus is on lightness and simplicity, which means it may lack some of the padding and extra features found on larger backpacks. However, for those who want a reliable, no-frills day pack that performs well in a variety of settings, this is a strong contender. The aesthetic appeal of the Osprey Daylite Cinch is another point of praise. It comes in various colors with attractive patterns, making it a stylish choice for both outdoor adventures and casual urban use. The design is sleek and modern, and the pack can easily double as a purse or carry-on bag for travel. Overall, the Osprey Daylite Cinch Backpack receives high marks for its combination of durability, lightweight design, and practical features. It is highly recommended for hikers, bikers, travelers, and anyone needing a dependable day pack that offers easy access and secure storage. If you own this backpack, please consider leaving a review in the comments to help others make informed decisions. The product link is provided in the description to support the channel and assist viewers in finding this excellent pack. In summary, the Osprey Daylite Cinch is a thoughtfully designed day pack that excels in comfort, durability, and usability. Its unique cinch closure system, lightweight construction, and travel-friendly features make it a standout option in its category. Whether you are heading out for a quick hike, a day trip, or need a reliable bag for everyday carry, this backpack delivers on its promises with quality and style.